Hi, everybody. Welcome to Cyber Intro to Business. My name is Mrs. Lowe. I'm going to be your teacher this year. And I just had a couple things that I wanted to introduce you to and go over with you. First of all, you're catching me in my homework space, which is my daughter's bedroom. She's actually off at college. She's a senior at the University of South Carolina. So we'll kind of go over a little bit more later, but today I just really want to make sure that you feel like you know exactly where you can find all of your information. So let me just switch this view very quickly so that we can make sure that you can see everything that we wanted to do. So we're taking a look at our Schoology course right now. One of the things you're going to notice in this class is that we will use Schoology absolutely for everything. You should not feel like you have to look any other places for any other resources. One of the things that we'll do in this class as well is as you take a look right here, you're going to be able to see that it says Cyber Introduction to Business, Mrs. Lowe, and then this is going to be a daily agenda for us. Well, I'm sorry, for your class, it's going to be a weekly agenda. So you're going to be able to navigate forward and backward here as we work through the year so you can see not only what was happening that week, but if you fell behind or something like that, you would be able to access what was going on the week before as well. And in some cases, I might have the next week up there for you or something along those lines. So that's going to be our primary way that we lay out this class. A little bit lower than that, you're going to notice that right below that, there's a Welcome to Cyber Introduction to Business folder. So you're going to see that there are a couple other things in here that we're going to be working on. We'll try to follow this pattern for you so it'll be really clear on how you can find all the different activities that you want to get started with. When you're in here, you're going to notice there's a Cyber Introduction Welcome PowerPoint. Let me just slide this over here for us so we can take a look very quickly. One of the things that I wanted to talk to you a little bit about today is the fact that because you're a cyber class and you're from East, Henderson, and Ruston, as an Introduction to Business class, you're more than welcome to get involved with our Deca program for our school district as well. And then what would happen with that is that you're actually going to get involved with your home school. So for example, if your home school is East High School, I would be your Deca Advisor, and you're going to find the information right here on this slide, and it's going to tell you that I'm the advisor here as well as Mr. Connor, and this is exactly how you find out more information. But not all of our schools do everything exactly the same. So if you are a homeschool student for Henderson, then your advisor is going to be Mr. Van Enberg. And if you're a homeschool student for Ruston, then your advisor is going to be Mrs. McCarter. So I just wanted to get that out to you very quickly. That's going to be in that slideshow that you'll be able to see. But the big thing is that we actually are having a Westchester area school district Deca night at the Phillies. So if you think that you would like to become a member, you're more than welcome to become a member. And then you also can sign up through your homeschool for this Phillies trip. So this Phillies trip is going to be Wednesday, September 15th, but we have to have your decision and your permission slips by Wednesday, September 8th. So it's kind of a strange week. You have a full week this week, and then next week is going to be a short week. So as we get started today, like we said, we want to come on over to your Schoology page and make sure that you feel confident on where you're going to find all of that information. You're going to come to your daily agenda. It's going to let you know exactly what's going on for this week. And then you're going to be able to find everything for this week in your yellow Welcome to Cyber Introduction to Business folder. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. I will be hosting some different Zoom sessions, but we'll just get started this week with this folder. I hope you have a great first week and welcome back to school.